Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. This vlog is all about my personal experience during the lockdown. Hope you will enjoy the video. We created a small play area inside our house so that she can spend her time over there. She started her daycare from very early age. So after lockdown, it was very difficult for as a working parents to keep her engaged inside the house because she was not allowed to go outside. So what we have done, we have just find a space inside the house, and like we use some old blankets, small blankets, baby blankets, and then we covered it with some printed clothes, or you can use bed sheet so that it will look bright and it will be attractive for the babies. I kept few soft toys of her in this area because she loved playing with the soft toys. All the toys has its name, which you will come to know if you watch the complete video. She called them by their name. Sometimes she loved spending time on her rhymes book, so I kept 2 or 3 rhymes books in this area. I kept a box of colorful blocks, which she loved to play with that also. And if I get some time, I used to do activity with her, that shapes and color activities. I kept some wild animal toys so that she can play with them. I kept this cushion for her safety. This is the play area which we arranged for her inside our house. Next day morning, she was very happy and excited when she saw all her favorite toys in a single place, and it was looking so colorful and all, which she used to spend her time in her daycare before lockdown. So once lockdown started, it was difficult for all 3 of us to stay at home. So we tried something different for her so that she can spend most of her time. Once she woke up, she will finish her morning activities, she will drink her water, and then she will come to her play area and play with the toys till I prepare her breakfast. Sometimes she will have the breakfast with them, or sometimes she will sit with us and finish her breakfast, and then again she will play with the toys. After my office, I will sit with her and do our activity in this play area. Johnny kothay? Johnny? Eating sugar? Telling lies? Open your mouth. Ha ha ha. Row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, merrily, merrily. Life is about to dream. If you see a crocodile, don't forget to scream. Here she wants to introduce her toys.
Sandu.
With you all.
Sandu, okay. Duggu? Okay. Bingu? Which one is a Bingu? Okay, Bingu. And Kitty? Which one is Kitty? Very good girl. And Bhodu Gunta. Bhodu. Hey, very good girl. Wow, you have names for all your good babies. My God, Mahi, so nice of you. Babies ke dodo খাইয়েছো? Oh, Bhodu খাচ্ছে dodo. বিঙ্গুকে নিয়ে যাও ওখানে, বিঙ্গুকে বসাও ওদিকে সুন্দরভাবে। বিঙ্গু কোথায়? বিঙ্গুকে বলো, বিঙ্গু সিট ডাউন, বিঙ্গুকে বলো সিট ডাউন।
In this way, I try to finish few of her activities also, and she will be happily doing her activities. She tries to feed her toys with her milk from her milk bottle. So it feels so proud that okay, she knows the meaning of caring. She will be playing her own. Whenever we are working or in the daytime or in the evening time, if I am cooking, she will not bother us a lot. She will be playing with her toys. She tries to teach the rhymes to the toys also. So hope you will be enjoying in the video. Nowadays her favorite rhymes is Baba Black Sheep. So she is teaching all the toys Baba Black Sheep. Our dinner time is little early. After dinner she will sit with the toys and she will do her story times or the rhymes times and all before she go to bed. When the idea came to our mind, we never thought that it will work out so nicely. We can see her playing with the toys, we can see her attending the classes in that play area. So I thought to share with you also that you can try with your kids. Every day before she go to bed, she will arrange the play area properly with my help, and then she will wish all her toys and say good night.
Say bye, Bingu. Say bye.
Hope you have liked the video.
Good night. Bye bye, baby.
Subscribe our channel if you have not subscribed. Thank you for watching our video.